Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So as you all know that Ramadan is approaching very soon, and I have brought a very basic trick for storing spring onions or green onions. So let's start with the trick. Spring onions are basically used for fritters or spring rolls. So how to store them? We will definitely wash them before cutting them and wash them, and then we will keep them dry, and then we will apply oil and mix it with oil. As you can see, I have applied oil all over and mixing. We will do this step with the green part as well. See this. I'm going to apply oil. You all have to remember to wash them thoroughly and dry them, and then apply oil and keep them separately in Ziploc and freeze it. I will definitely share after usage. See this, I have been using spring onions like this, and they haven't changed their color as well. So this is really an amazing tip to store that. Do remember me in your prayers and do apply this trick also. And happy Ramadan in advance.